So we're back on another inspired walk today up in Cwm Rhaeadr in the Welsh desert known as the Cambrian Mountains, inspired by a YouTuber called Andrew Kingdom, also known as Kimdrum under South Wales. He'll appreciate the joke with that one. So we're in Cwm Rhaeadr. We're going to go up to, hopefully, the waterfall. It does say the waterfall walk is closed, but I think we can get access to it via a different way. So join us along the way. Bye for now. So we followed the route, the red route, up to the viewpoint where the mountain bike trail officially starts. Just follow the track around a bit. It is blocked, but it is passable if you're a walker. And there's no mountain bikers today, so we've turned around, come back down the track, and we'll next pick up a forest trail, which should take us towards the waterfall. Bring you back on the way. of hours nicely spent in the southern Cambrian mountains. Thanks again for Andy for inspiring us. And as ever, just get out and explore, go and look at your local area. There's always something to find. Join us on the next one. Bye for now.